This is going to be a video tutorial on how to insert a logo image anywhere on a document in Microsoft Word. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. I have a little example project here. As you can see, I have a logo image on my document here. This happens to be a PNG image. I can move it anywhere that I want on my document. The way to do this is quite simple. First, I'm going to delete this one. And I have an image in a folder that I want to use. I'm going to open up my folder. There is my image right there. I'm just going to use the old drag and drop method. I'm going to select my image, hold down the left mouse button, drag it over to my document, let go of the left mouse button. There is the image that I'm going to use. Now I want to left click on my image to select it. I have my image selected now. Then I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to the Picture Format tab. I'm going to click on Picture Format. And then on the ribbon down to the right, I'm going to click on Text Wrap. And I'm going to go with, you could either use behind text or in front of text. I'm going to use in front of text. Then I'm going to size my image. I'm going to hold down the left mouse button and drag in on the corner, make it about whatever size I want, and then I can position my image anywhere that I want. Now on the web version, you're probably not going to be able to do this. The web version will not allow you to do this. But I'm using the software version of Word. And that is how to insert a logo image anywhere you want on your document in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.